Hello students, welcome to my class. Today we are going to study about whole number properties, okay? And in that first we are going to study on closure property, okay? Let me write first a whole number. The whole number is denoted by W symbol and it starts with a 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on till infinity. Infinity is the one which is endless number in positive and no fraction, no negative. Basically this whole number is always positive, no negative, no fraction. Okay, fraction nothing but 1.2 or 2.3, something like that. There is no number like this in this whole number. So these are basically characteristics of no whole number. Okay, so now we will concentrate on the closure property. What do you mean by closure? Okay, let's see. We read the whole number starts with a 0, 1, 2, 3 and infinity, and we do a mathematical operation using these numbers. Okay, so what are the mathematical operations? It is a positive, then subtract, then multiplication, then division. Okay, using these operations we are going to use whole number and we'll see the result, and let us understand first what the result shows, whether those are belongs to whole number or not. Okay, let's look with one example. Take a number 2 which is a whole number and 3 is also whole number, right? Let's do a first with addition. Now 2 plus 3, what you get? 5. Okay, this is also a whole number, this is also whole number, and this is also whole number, and this is also whole number. Let's take one more example, any number in between, say for example 520, okay, and another 540. Okay, let's do the addition. 520 plus 540, 06,060. So this is once again a positive number, okay, and this is no negative number, okay, and no fraction. So hence it is belongs to whole number somewhere else here, okay, and the previous number is somewhere else here. So this still belongs to a whole number. What I wanted to tell here, that whatever we get the result, those are part of the whole number, those are part of this W. Hence this is a closed numbers. So we are not deviating from this number, means we are not getting any fraction, we are getting purely a positive number. Then that kind of number we called as a closed property number. Okay, so how we get this closed property number? Using this addition. Okay, hence addition with whole number is closure property. Okay, and now let us go with the minus, means subtract. Here we'll work on subtraction. So let us take a 2, okay, and let us take 1. These are two whole numbers. Yes, let us do the operation here. 2 minus 1, what do we get? 1. Agree? This is again a whole number, right? Condition satisfied. Now let us go with another number. 3 minus 1, we get 2. This is also whole number. Okay, now let us look another number. 6 minus 8, this is whole number. 6 is whole number. Yes, it will be somewhere else here. 8 is also whole number. Yes, 8 is also number. We are using a mathematical operation called subtract. Okay, so can we subtract 6 minus 8? No, but however if we want to do the 6 minus 8, we get result minus 2. But this minus 2 is not whole number. Okay, what I told in the beginning, it is any negative number, no negative number. Okay, so this is not a part of the whole number, hence it will be somewhere else here. -2 somewhere else will be here, but this is not a part of the whole number. This is not comes under this group. Okay, so this is a closed number section, so the -2 will not come in this, hence subtract operation is not a closure property. Okay, let's go with the next multiplication. Let us do the multiplication operation. Let's take 2 whole number comma 3. Okay, and let's do this operation. 2 into 3, you get 6. See here, what is the result? This is a whole number, right? And this as well whole number, and this as well whole number. So all are whole number in this, so the result comes within this. Okay, first condition is satisfied. Now let us go with 120 into 40. Let us go here. The answer is 4800. Now let us see, this number is as well whole number, this is also whole number, and this is also whole number. Okay, and the operation what we are doing is multiplication. So any two number, if you use whole number, the result is always a whole number, and that will be falls under in this whole number set. Hence what I would say, multiplication is closure property. Okay, let's now go to division. Okay, let's do the division and check whether when we do the division operation with the whole number, what kind of result we get, and that is belongs to closure property or not a closure property. Let's look at that. See here, let me take 4, okay, and 2 number. These both are whole numbers, right? Okay, now let us do the operation here. 4 by 2, we get 2. The another operation, what exactly this do here is, it is basically it does a subtract. 4 minus 2, and remainder will be 2 once again, and this will be called as a one group. Okay, and we got a 2 number once again, and then we need to minus 2 once again, and we get 0. Okay, this is second group. At the end of the calculation we get 0, so this is called a remainder. Always in the division we need to look for remainder as a 0, and how many groups, under how many groups we get 0, so that groups is the result. These are the 2 groups. So this is just a basic understanding. Now you see we get the result here 2. Okay, right, the 4 is a whole number, and 2 is also whole number, and this 2 also whole number. So here at this moment the closure property satisfied, because this everything belongs to within the whole number. Now let's look into 5 is a whole number divided by 2. This is also whole number. Let's look, this is result is 2.5, and this is a fraction. Okay, this is a fraction. How we do it? Let's perform the same operation. 5 minus 2, how much? 3 we get, right? And this is one group, and we have 3, and 3 minus 2, how much? We get 1, and 1 minus 2, so the remainder is not a 0. Okay, hence this is group 1, this is group 2, and here this will be a 0.5, so that will be adding here. Hence this the just a calculation simplification I'm telling, and this is a fraction. What I'm telling here, no fraction in the whole number, so it means this is comes somewhere else in between, but we do not read fraction in the whole number. Hence division is not a closure property. Now we understood only positive and multiplication. Only these are the 2 arithmetic operations are part of the closure property. Okay, now let us go to the next property, that is a commutative property. Okay, let's understand that one. Now let us summarize what we studied. Positive symbol is closure property, multiplication as well. Subtraction and division not closure properties. Okay, next we will study the second property, that is commutative on whole number. Let's go into the commutative whole property, and I request you to subscribe and share to your friends and students. And thank you for joining this class, and we'll meet next class. If you have any question on this, just put it in the comment. I will try to answer it. Thank you.